Hello, friends. Yesterday, in tip number 20, we spoke about time abundant societies. Today, I'm taking you to a very deep personal level of a tip which I'm sure you will enjoy because that is affecting each one of us. All of us who are facing time management challenges in today's environment stem out from the fact that we ignore to set our goals. All the time management challenges like procrastination, work life balance, not being able to do your to do list, not finding your priorities right, all of them stem from the very simple fact that we don't pay attention to setting our goals. We don't know the bigger picture, and the bigger picture is what? Is where are we going? What are we doing? What are we going to achieve there? And to reach there, what are my goals, my milestones? If I know my destination and if I know my path, and on that path, I know my milestones, my journey becomes straight onto the focus without zigzagging all the way, right? So let me give you a very simple example. If you are going to be traveling from point A to point B, then if you want to go straight on that line, there are two things which are important which make you reach that place. One is the direction, and the second one is the speed. Of these two, I always say direction is the most important because if you maintain direction, you will reach there. If the speed is less, you'll reach there later, but you'll reach there. If you go there on good speed, but then you maintain the direction, that's the ideal. But of the two, direction is more important because if you lose direction, then you will never reach your goal. Even if you reach fast, you'll reach somewhere, but that won't be your goal. And then if you want to retrace your steps to come back to the goal, you'll take more time. What is happening with us is when we don't know our destination, we don't know our direction, we go zigzag. And really speaking, we don't even go zigzag, we go in a different direction and never reach our goal. And in the way we keep wandering, and that is where we spend more time, that time becomes wasted. You're not able to do your to do list, and the whole rigmarole of feeling bad comes up. So let's get it straight. If you have learned geometry, and I learned it in golf, that if you have that red flag in your distance and you are aiming for that, even if your ball goes 1 degree not aligned to the goal, it'll go many yards to the right or left of the flag, and it'll never reach the flag. And to reach the flag, you will have to again come back, and that means the distance now covered from shot A to B to C will certainly be more than AC. And that is what we need to remember. So, what I've learned from Brian Tracy very clearly was that you need to have your direction very clear. And he says goals must be written, think on paper, write them down, have your goals clear, and then in that you have your milestones, which means if I know where to reach in 1 year, I know my monthly goals, I know my weekly goals, I know my daily goals. And when I do that, I don't waste time in going zigzag. When people work a lot, they slog. They are somebody who will be moving in some direction, reaching somewhere. But when you know your goals, you reach exactly where you want to. So, the action for today, please get down to your notebook and start with just making a weekly goal which is derived from at least a yearly goal. Don't make a 10 years goal, don't take a 5 years goal. I personally suggest make 1 year goal. At least imagine where would you like to be in 1 year's time. Of course, that 1 year also should be aligned to somewhere that you know what your vision, your mission is, what your purpose of life is. But let's say 1 year, determine where you want to be, and then divide that into what all do you need to do every month to reach there. If you have that right, you will not go wrong. So please write down your weekly goals derived from your yearly goals. That is the exercise for today. Thank you and look forward to seeing you in tip number 22 tomorrow. Signing off, your own Time Brigadier, and you are watching 51 Time Investment Protocols and Strategies.